Drona, Ashwata, Aditya, how was your test?
Yes, sir. I didn't have enough time to finish the test, sir, properly.
Why? Why? What happened?
Sir, your voice is really low, sir.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. It's loud, sir.
Okay. Ashwata, how was your test? Good. So, Daksh, have you written the test yesterday?
No, sir.
No. Okay, okay, no problem.
Sir, actually, there's a problem.
Sorry, Daksh.
Sir, actually, there is a problem, sir, where we do the test.
So, there is a Wise app will be there. In that, you have to write the test. Okay.
Yes,
No.
sir. I know, sir. Sir, but my father tried to do something about that, but sir, it's not working.
Okay, okay, no problem. From next week onwards, you can attempt the test. Okay. No issue in that. Yeah, we are discussing right now the separation of substance chapter. Just we started in the last class that when. I hope you know what is a pure substance, impure substance, what are the impurities, what is the meaning of mixture. Have any idea about this, Daksh? Unmute
Yes, sir.
yourself and you can speak.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have an idea about these things.
Okay. So homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture.
No, sir.
So today we are going to discuss from the topic. I think last class started with the this methods, right? Threshing, winnowing, hand picking. We finished it right last class.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the meaning of threshing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of threshing?
The process of beating harvested crops to separate the grain from the stalks.
Okay. The process of beating the harvested crop to separate the grains from the stalk is called as in threshing. So you'll use the threshing technique based upon what physical property? We'll use the threshing technique based upon what physical property? Hmm? Based upon the hardness and softness, right? If you take the chaff or if you take the plant of the grains or a wheat plant, the stem or the stalk part is a soft part and the grain is a hard part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you beat with on the hard substance now, the grains will be separated because there is a hard part and the stem will broke into the small pieces. Okay, because that is a soft part. So we'll do the threshing process based upon the physical property, hardness and softness. Understanding? Then I asked you about the last class about the chaff, hay, yes or no? Chaff and hay and the husk. What is this? What is the chaff? What is the hay? And what is the husk? Is it anybody newly joined with Aditya name?
Sir, let's hear that.
Really?
Yes, sir. He just joined from his brother's device or account.
But he can't speak anything.
No, sir, I'm just there.
And his video is.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. No, sir, I'm on my phone, sir. We don't have internet.
Okay. I thought someone newly has joined the class with the Aditya name.
Sir, can you see my video?
I can see your video, but backside lights are dominating you. That's why I can't see your face clearly.
Sir, can you see my video?
Yeah, I can see you, Edarth. Okay. Then what is the meaning of
No,
chaff?
sir. It's just me, sir.
What is the meaning of chaff? What is the meaning of hay and the husk? Anyone?
One minute.
Hmm? What is the meaning of chaff, hay, and the husk?
Sir, actually, I was preparing for my science exams.
Sorry?
I didn't do that.
Okay, I will show you it on the image. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, actually, that day I was preparing for.
Sir, are you screen sharing?
Yeah.
Sir, I don't know the definition, but I know how it looks.
Okay, see this one? There is a outer coat on the
Yes, sir. The
rice,
outer
right?
covering of the
That is called as a chaff. Understanding? Can you
is
see
a
here
husk.
clearly now? The outer covering on the rice
Sir, but it's called husk, right, sir?
husk. Yeah. Okay. And the outer coating on the rice is called as an husk. And the stem-like structure is called as is there, right? There is a hay, which will use as a fodder for the cattle. Okay. So threshing means what? The process of beating the harvested crop to separate the grains from the stalk is called as an threshing. Now the stalk is broken into the hay as well as the
Okay, sir. Sir, mine also. Sir, mine also have internet issues, sir.
okay. So
I'm doing on phone, sir. Sir,
okay.
yesterday morning we didn't have internet.
So threshing means what? Separating the
Sir,
grains from the
can
stalk
you
is
once repeat it, please?
your voice is not clear, Aditya.
Sir, even his camera is black.
Okay. So just check your internet connection, Aditya. Okay, we'll continue with the topic. Threshing means what? Separating the grains from the stalk is called as threshing by beating on the hard surface. So when you're beating the stalk on the hard surface, grains will be separated and stalk will broke into the small pieces. The stalk of the plant will broke into the small pieces. That small pieces is called as an hay. Hay is used for the fodder for the cattle. Okay. So after the threshing, what you have to do? We have to do the winnowing process. So what is the meaning of winnowing? Separating the chaff or the hay from the grains is called as an winnowing. So the mixture of chaff and the grain is taken to the winnowing basket, and the farmer will stand at some height so that whatever the blowing of wind is there, that wind will blow and take out all the hay particles away from the grains. And winnowing process is also suitable only when there is a wind is there from one direction.
Wind or blowing air.
Blowing air will be there, right? And winnowing is based upon the technique like based upon the heavier particles as well as the lighter particles. So heavier particles will move from one place to other place. Heavier particles settle at the below of the winnowing basket, and the lighter particles will move from far away from the winnowing basket. I hope now it is clear, my voice.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. The next one is a hand picking. Now tell me, what is a hand picking?
Sir, when rice and
Yes,
some rice has stones, we use hand picking, sir.
Sir,
Rice
when
at
we
the
use,
stone.
sir, when we separate the
Sir, when the
separate
quantity is
substances
small,
by hand, it's called hand picking.
sir,
Daksh,
we do hand picking when the quantity is
Less.
small, sir, and the different
Color
objects
and
are of
shape.
different.
okay. What about Daksh? What is your answer for hand picking?
Yes, sir. Hand
the
picking.
size is very different, sir.
Yeah, Daksh.
Yes, sir. Sir, hand picking is the process in which uh, separate we separate uh, particles that are different in shape and size
Okay.
Sir,
in a
Yeah.
small amount.
Rona?
sir, we separate impurities
Sir,
or unwanted substances from a material, sir.
You separate the impurities or the unwanted substance from the material.
Material.
Sir,
Okay.
hand picking is the process of manually picking the useful substance by hand, sir.
Hey, that your voice is not at all clear. So just you type it in the chat box. That's better compared to speaking. I think so. Your internet connection is not good. Okay. So generally you can see hand picking now. The main points are whatever the impurities are there should be in the small quantity. Then only you can remove the impurities from the given mixture. And the size of the impurities and the color of the impurities also should be important. Yes or no? Suppose if you take rice, if the rock size is bigger, now you can pick out with the help of hand from the rice and you can separate from the rice. Along with that size, the color of the rock also should be different, right? Compared to the rice color.
yes,
So
sir.
the size of the particles or the size of the impurities as well as color of the impurities plays important role in the hand picking process. It should be big enough to catch with the help of the hands, as well as it should be different in color than the pure substance. Then only you can separate the small amount of impurities from the by using hand picking method. Just the method of separation is simple. We'll use the hand to separate the unwanted substance from the given mixture. That is called as an hand picking. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Now
No
you
doubt.
tell. Now you tell
No
me
doubt,
what
sir.
are the common examples for the hand picking in our home?
Sir,
Picking
separating rice
rice.
from stones.
Separating rice from stones. Very good. Next, any other example? Any other examples for the hand picking? Suppose I have given the basket of fruits, one basket full of fruits, different fruits are there. Whether you use the hand picking process or not.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Sir, we can separate apples from oranges.
So given the one basket in that I have given the different types of fruits. Can you separate all the different types of fruits into different groups
Yes, sir.
by using hand picking only, right?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Because you can identify it easily. Yes or no? But here
Sir,
what we are doing the
sir,
mixture,
can I give an example?
yeah, you can give the example. Here what is the
Sir,
main,
there are different types of books, sir, like mystery books in like we use hand picking too, sir, for mystery books, a column, a group, sir. And
and
sir,
yeah, tell me, you are giving some example, right?
yes, sir. If there's a book, sir, like if it's a action, if it's a mystery book, it goes into the mystery column. If it's a motivational book, it goes into the most motivational column. And other categories too, sir. Other categories too, sir.
Okay, okay. So any other examples other than these examples? If you want to say any other examples, you can tell. Ashwath, Daksh, think about it. The hand picking process you will do in your home itself or in your surroundings.
Sir, we separate pencils from pens.
Very good. You can take that as an example. Separating of pencils from the pens. Next,
Sir, separating textbooks from notebooks.
separating textbooks from the notebooks. Good. Next,
Separating different vegetables.
separating
Vegetables.
vegetables. Okay, we have taken the different types of vegetables from the market in a bag. And afterwards, we'll separate them into each category, right? Like a chili separate, tomato separate, onion separate, and all. That also we'll do with the help of the hand itself.
Yes, sir.
Good. Understand, right? Hand picking now.
Yes, sir. Understand.
Next, we'll go for the saving. Now, okay. What is the meaning of saving? Saving is nothing but separating the mixture based upon the particle size. Yes or no? We'll have the
Yes,
save.
sir.
Whenever the two particles in the two components in the mixture will have the different particle size, you can separate with the help of the saving. So sieve means what? It is some type of iron sheet which will have small holes on it. Sieve is nothing but one type of the iron sheet. On that iron sheet we have the small holes. It can be iron sheet or it can be net also. Suppose if you take the sieve of the floor sieving methods are there. In that net will be there. So in this what will happen when you take the mixture upon the sieve, the smaller particles will allow through the holes of the sieve and fell down. And the larger particles settle at the top of the sieve. Have you seen the sieving process in your home when your mother or the parents are doing that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then what is the examples for the sieving?
Sir, they separate wheat from something.
Yeah. When you are making the chapatis, usually mother has
Flour.
to take the flour and they will keep it on the sieve.
Yes, sir.
And when they shake the sieve now, what will happen? The complete wheat flour or the any other flour will goes down, and whatever
Oh,
the impurities are there in the flour,
sir, it will stay in the sieve.
it will stay above the sieve,
Yes, sir.
right? Or if you want to separate the flour from the pulses, can we do by pulses? You can separate the pulses from the flour.
Yes, sir.
Compared to the hand picking, we can separate easily with the help of sieve, right?
Yes, sir. Easily.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Can we separate pebbles and stones? Sorry, can we separate pulses and stone with the help of sieving?
Sir,
Can we separate the stones
sir,
from the
it
pulses?
depends on the sieve, sir. It should be small or big. The sieve.
Sir,
The holes in the sieve.
Yeah, Ashwath. Ashwath, you are unmuting and muting yourself. Hello.
Keep it in unmute.
Ashwath, mute yourself, please. It's not unmuting automatically. There is some issue with your.
Mic.
Very good, Edarth. Okay, Ashwath, check your mic once again afterwards. Okay. So if the components of the mixture are different sizes, to see what is the important condition, the components of the mixture should be different sizes. They can be separated by sieving. So you can see the figure here. The smaller component passes through the pores of the sieve, whereas the larger components will be left behind in it. This method is used in the home to separate the wheat bran from the flour. What is the meaning of wheat bran? What is the meaning of wheat bran? Sriharsha? Sriharsha, are you there?
Sir, Sriharsha joined from two devices, sir.
Okay, okay. So separating of the wheat bran from the flour we can do by using the sieving. That is a common thing. Next, the process of sieving used to separate the pebbles and the stones from the sand
Sir, can you hear me?
at the construction site. Yeah,
Sir, can you see me?
I can hear you, Ashwath.
Can you see me, sir?
I can't see you, but I can hear you.
Your video is off.
There is some network issue is there. Then what is this separating of the sand from the pebbles? Can you explain anyone about this?
Sir, we use sand to convert into glass, sir. So while they will use the sand, they hand pick the pebbles, sir.
Okay. Next, anyone? Daksh.
Sir, sir, you're asking about separation of. Sir, where is it used?
Separation of the pebbles from the sand.
Yes, sir. Sir, construction sites.
Construction site.
Oh.
Then anything? So have you seen that type of mesh where the sieving is done in the construction site to separate the pebbles from the sand?
Yes, sir, it's very big.
1 minute, I will try to open the picture of that. Can you see here?
Yes, sir, we can see.
See this. Whenever the labor is putting the sand from this, from here, what is happening? This is completely sieve, right? The sieve is rotating continuously from here. So whatever the pebbles are there, it is there above the sieve itself and is going to different direction. And the sand will pass through the sieve and fell below, exactly below it. Can you see here now how the pebbles are separating from the sieve, from the sand? Hello,
Yes, sir. We
can you
can
see
see,
this?
sir.
We can see, sir, clearly. But, sir, it's hanging.
Hanging. There is some
Sir,
network
it's
issue is there
spinning
today.
with
That's
the
what.
net, sir, and spinning with the net, sir, and it's a hollow cylinder, sir, and we pour
Sir,
the
it's
sand,
rotating.
sir, and the stones come out, sir.
Yeah. So after the once the sand is filled at the bottom, they will take it out separately. Okay. That is one type of saving. The other type of saving also will be there. 1 minute. Now can you see here clearly? This is a different sieving. You can see one wooden box will be there, in between one sieve mesh is there. Mesh means what? Which will have the iron sheet only, which will have the small holes. So based upon our requirement, we'll take the different types of mesh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now can you see the clearly the holes on the mesh?
Yes, sir.
See what is happening there? Whatever the particles are there, smaller particles are there, it goes below the mesh, and larger particles will settle in the some of the mesh. Okay, this is all about the saving. Next, sedimentation and the decant. Okay, before this, I'll give you some homework. I think I have given already last class also. Examples for the threshing, winnowing. Have done the homework. Guys, have done the homework or not?
Sir, last class I left early, right, sir? So I didn't.
Okay, okay. What about the remaining people?
Sir, last class I left early.